A very good morning, students. Today we are going to start with chapter 6, Forms of Market, module 1. We have already completed the first 5 chapters. Please go through the modules. The topic will be starting the topic with the meaning of market. Okay, what is meant by a market? A market is a system or a setup where buyers and sellers communicate with each other. Okay, so a market is a system or setup where buyers and sellers communicate with each other. It may be a physical marketplace or it may be a virtual marketplace like internet marketing. Okay, but the main definition is buyers are able to contact and communicate with the sellers to strike a deal about the price of the commodity and quantity to be bought and sold. So the buyers and sellers communicate with each other to strike a deal about price and quantity to be bought and sold. Okay, so marketplace is any kind of setup or system where buyers and sellers communicate with each other. It may be a physical marketplace, it may be an online marketplace, a virtual marketplace. Market structure. It refers to the types of markets in which the producers or firms operate. So when we talk about market structure, it is the various structures or the categories in which producers or firms operate. Okay, suppose in some market structure there may be only one seller. In some market structure there may be many sellers. In some market structure there may be some restrictions. Okay, so these are the various systems of market or various structures of market in which the firms will operate. There may be few sellers, there may be large number of sellers. Okay, there may be restrictions in the market, there may be only one seller. So this is the market structure. Now there are 4 kind of market structure in your class 10 syllabus. First one is perfect competition, second is monopoly, third is monopolistic competition, and fourth is monopsony. Let me just give you a very brief understanding of these 4. Okay, we will be doing this in detail in the coming segments. Okay, but let me just give you a very brief description about these markets. Okay, perfect competition is a market where there are large number of sellers and a large number of buyers. Perfect competition market is a price taker because there are large number of sellers and a large number of buyers selling same kind of product. We call that product homogeneous. Same in quality, same in size, same in color. There is not at all a single difference between the products. So perfect competition is a market where there are large number of sellers and a large number of buyers and they sell homogeneous product. मतलब product में कोई difference नहीं है. Product of one firm and the product of another firm is the same. कोई भी difference नहीं है. We are going to discuss these all in details in the next classes. Okay. Monopoly means a single seller. Like in Indian Railways is the example of monopoly in India right now, because Indian Railways, the government of India, railways are the only one who are selling the services of railways in India. Okay, the railways department, Indian Railways of the government of India, is the only one that is selling rail services in India. So a monopoly is a kind of market where there is only one seller. A monopoly is a kind of market where there is only one seller. Coming to monopolistic competition, I am just giving a very brief meaning of these topics. I will be discussing them in detail. Monopolistic competition is a competition where there are large number of sellers and a large number of buyers. But the difference between perfect competition and monopolistic competition is, in perfect competition they sell homogeneous, same kind of product. In monopolistic competition they sell differentiated products. Okay, every firm has a differentiated product, like Horlicks, Complan, Boost. Horlicks says taller, stronger, sharper. Okay, Complan says taller. Boost, they use the tagline The boost is the secret of my energy. So monopolistic competition, all the sellers are selling differentiated product. The main feature of perfect competition is homogeneous or same kind of product. Monopolistic competition has differentiated product. And the last one is monopsony. In monopsony, there is only one buyer. Okay, like fighter aircrafts. In India, only government of India, defense can only buy fighter aircrafts from the various countries. So they are the single buyer. Monopoly is single seller. Monopsony is single buyer. Monopoly is single seller. Monopsony is single buyer. Okay, like Indian government, Defense of India is the only one buyer for the fighter aircrafts that is bought from other countries. That's all for today, students. Thank you.